Hi, I'm Lionel, this is techloto, and this is my unboxing video for the Pyramid VPN Wi-Fi router. So just to provide a bit of background, I'm sure most of you have heard of VPN. You've probably heard of apps like NordVPN, things like that. Most people use it to unblock websites that are not available in your location, but other people actually use it to improve privacy and security as well. Well, that's exactly what Pyramid does, but Pyramid is a bit different because it combines VPN with a wireless router, which is great because it means you don't have to install any software or configure any apps. It's fantastic because it works with all your devices, including smart TVs, game consoles, it works with my PS4, even streaming devices like a Fire Stick, Apple TV, Roku, things like that. All you have to do is set up the Pyramid Wi-Fi VPN router and connect any of your devices to it. So now let's take a look into what this includes. I thought it was quite interesting that the box arrived in a purple mailing envelope and the box is inside. I like the personal touch. You'll notice that there's a UK power adapter inside. A flyer containing your activation code is also here, and this will get you up and running with the VPN. I'm actually quite impressed with the packaging. It comes in a really nice purple and white box. It's a really clean design with little text and information on there. And when you remove the sleeve, the inner box opens up, but it's really cool because it has this magnetic hinge on it, so you don't have to worry about that wearing out. And inside you'll find a USB cable and of course the Pyramid box. My first impressions is that it comes a lot smaller than I actually expected, which is quite cool. I mean, if you're out and about, you don't want to be carrying a router sized device with you. You just want to take it out, something small, you can plug it in anywhere, connect it to the Wi-Fi and then set up the VPN. It's also really light. Like I said before, you can tell it's been designed so that you can carry it around really easily. It can fit into your luggage without taking any space at all. Just squeeze it in between your clothes and you know it's safe, you know it's okay, and you know it doesn't really add much to your load. Even if you're just out and about going to work, whether it's in your backpack or it's in your jacket pocket, it doesn't really make a difference. On the front side, there are 3 LED indicators. On the left hand side is the power light, and the middle lights show you when you're connected to the VPN. And the one on the right is only used for system updates. One great thing about Pyramid is that you can pair it with your router or any of your devices without using a cable. But if you are a fan of cables, you like that stronger connection, you'll see that there's a WAN port, and that's for connecting a cable to your router or to a hotel. And there's a LAN port, you use that for connecting to your devices. So if I wanted to connect this to my PS4 or to my computer, I would plug it into the LAN port and then plug it in here. So router to WAN, device to LAN, simple. You can also see a charging port on top, and there are no ports on the right hand side or the bottom. But on the left, you'll find a couple different things. You'll see that there's a reset button here. That's if you have any issues during the setup process, just reset and get it back up and running. It's really cool because you can just start again in case you make any mistakes. There's also a VPN toggle switch, so you can just switch the VPN on and off, which is really great. And finally, there's a USB port for wireless file sharing. And that's it, the Pyramid Wi-Fi VPN router. I've been using this for about a week now, and I just like having that privacy, and I actually find it interesting to go on the internet and switch my VPN to America and see what they're seeing over there. It's quite cool. Let me know if you want me to do a setup video for this, and if you want me to go into depth with some of the stuff that you can use VPN for. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Remember to like and subscribe to techloto, visit the Teespring page for some merch, and don't forget to visit the website.